This is Yardie Belly, and we're taking a lazy summer day cruise along the intercoastal waterway of Fort Lauderdale. Yeah, every now and then you have to just find some way to enjoy yourself. I'm aboard the Jungle Queen, and I've already posted a video about this, but I just feel like I needed to do one more. Yeah, if you're living in South Florida, if you're visiting South Florida and you're in the Fort Lauderdale area, get on the Jungle Queen. Good way to spend a lazy summer afternoon, and you get to see these $1 million houses. You get to see all those, you know, expensive properties that is on Fort Lauderdale Intercoastal, and you get to listen to some good music and just have a nice little vibe. Yeah, look at the ship, the boats, different yachts, catamarans, sailboats, speedboats. All of those areas are people houses. A $1 million house. Yeah, I soon buy one. I buy one. Yeah, because I'm rich. Look on all the one that will park up in that driveway there, in that sailway there. Let me show you. See that sailway there right there? So? Look on that boat there. Let me zoom. Look there. Somebody just park them boat in a them yard like a living, like, you know, like it's a driveway, like a car. That's awesome, right? That's awesome. Yeah. Look at that just park like a somebody driveway. Yeah? Yeah, man. Just park up like a driveway. We got a catamaran coming towards us. Yeah. I'm going to buy one. Oh, next week. Next week I'm going to buy one. Putting on my driveway. Yeah. All they do to the light Yeah, so Fort Lauderdale is great, neighborly and everybody. And I'm telling you, the breeze is so awesome. It's such a beautiful wind coming in from the sea. I'm totally enjoying this breeze. Yeah, see, that's waterways. All the way up there, it's waterways. Yeah, such is life on the Fort Lauderdale Intercoastal. Life in South Florida. If you're not here, you need to be here. If you are thinking about it, just do it. Get to South Florida and get on the Jungle Queen and enjoy your good summer afternoon. Yardie Belly in a foreign. Signing out. truth. If I saw when you get rich, you're friendly. Never gonna get rich. Cause then the rich people then I come past on the boat, then they stop wave to me. Yeah, you look like when you get rich, you get friendly. So I'm gonna make a money. Yeah, I'm gonna make a money. Because you need to wave to people too. Yeah. But I'm enjoying it. I told you I'm signing out, but I still have to talk. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful.